Alright, so this is the review of the HAMSWAN action camera. It is a 30 FPS Wi-Fi 1080p camera, and comes in this nice packaged box. Let's see here. It's got a nice welcoming card and two separate boxes inside here, and another box in here. Looks like in this one is the actual action camera. It's already housed nicely. And it has Wi-Fi capability. Included with the camera are a couple of boxes which has accessories in it. You can see there's a lot of accessories that are included here. All kinds of different mounts. This part right here has the capability to fit any one of these accessories. And then here's some more accessories in this bag too. Got another bag here full of charging accessories. This looks like the charging cable, actual battery itself, a cleaning cloth. So let's start this up and see how it all performs together. Okay, the camera is out, and let's see if there's already a battery in it. To take the battery out, just gotta fold this forward and pop this out. Okay, looks like there's already a battery in there. So that other battery was just an extra battery. That's pretty convenient. I bet there's a little bit of a charge here, so let's just turn this on. Power's on the front. You can see it turns right on. It's already got a good battery lifespan on it. According to the instruction manual, there is a application called Final Cam which this requires for a Wi-Fi connection, because you notice that when you push up on here, it does a Wi-Fi search for the actual camera setting. So I'm going to download that onto my phone and see how that's going to look. In the Play Store or in the Apple Store, the logo for Final Cam will look like this. It's like a orange horizon kind of a look. So let me go ahead and install this. And once this is installed, what it's going to let me do is transfer videos or photos from this camera to my phone. That's a pretty convenient feature to have. It says, please add camera. Camera is connecting. Okay, so let me get this configured in here. So that is really cool. I have this camera connected to my actual action camera, and I can view it from my smartphone here. You see how I move it around here and I can see it from here. So it gives me a lifetime view, and the actual video quality of it is pretty good. I like that feature and capability. Right now I'm not using any kind of a SIM card, so I'm going to put this SIM card into this slot right here. There's this little slot on the side where I can just plug this SIM card in, and you can put in a 16, 32 gigabyte card. And to record, you just simply push this button right here. So once it's on, and you know it's on because you'll see it on, you could just push once to take a recording, and you see how it's recording like this. So I'll just do a sample recording here, and it's going to show the video, and then I'll actually transfer it over to the computer and upload it after this scene right here so that you can see how good the quality is. The fisheye lens is 170 degree, so it'll give kind of a peripheral vision onto the screen. Plus, there's also a microphone that picks up the sound right here on the side, so you can get an idea of how good the quality of the sound is. The video recording, it gets up to a 1080p, so that's how high definition this camera is going to be. The photo resolution is at 12 megapixel, and the battery life will last for, I think, 90 minutes, and it can recharge within 3 hours. So that's pretty good, especially since there's an extra battery pack that's included with this action camera. Now, this action camera does have underwater capabilities, so with this included housing, you can put this on to the camera like this, and then to lock it in place, you just take this top flap, put it over the housing like this, and then snap it into place. And then if you push the button on the top here, you can get the recording going again, or if you want to stop, you could push that button. It's all very responsive and it works really good. So this is pretty neat. I just downloaded the actual video file onto my smartphone remotely by connecting this Wi-Fi to my smartphone. And anything that I had on my SIM card, I could just view it directly from my phone now. See, when you tap on the camera in the app here, you can see that there's a download button right there, and you can download the video files like that. And I have one of the files downloaded, for example, so I can watch that file here. Let's see.